Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to add an icon to your Gravity Forms Submit button using a no-code solution. Let's get started. First, you will need a couple of plugins installed and activated: Gravity Booster and Field Icons for Gravity Forms. Alright, now let's get into the step-by-step process. From your WordPress website's backend, navigate to Forms, Booster. Select the form where you want to add the icon. Now go to Field Icons panel. In the Submit button drop-down, choose the icon you want to apply. You will see the preview of the selected icon in the preview. From here, you can also change the icon color and icon size as well. After picking your icon and styling it, click the Save button to make your changes live. Adding and styling icons to your Gravity Forms Submit button is that simple. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.